Just got my delivery today. Can't wait to get to the shop, man. So I got these because I use the Masters. I love the Masters. I love how they weigh. So I needed something to replace them that much quieter. I had some good reviews. They're looking at a lot of other barbers, and they be copping these. They say it's good. It's not light, which I like. Love heavy and power. So I got these two. I'm ready to go test them out to the shop. Let's go. We made it to the shop. Let me set up. I'm gonna do my first cuts. Let's go. Again, about to do my second client. Well, not my second client, but try this on this next haircut and see how this goes. All right, let's go. Let's go. Haircut with these. Man, I really like these. I like the weight. I like the blade. Cuts very smooth, no tugging. I also changed the bracket out. I got the extended bracket on here, the stretch bracket. I think they call it the stretch bracket. From what people was telling me, that you had to take the clicking system off. I got the clicking system on. It still works. So, also, if you're an Andis user or you like the Masters, I think this is probably the closest clipper I'm gonna see come, because the guards are amazing. Like, the guards are amazing. Especially the one actually looked like the Masters. Literally the exact same amount of teeth. And look at this. The zero. Amazing. So I got the original Masters, okay, and I mean, they just have probably like one or two more, but literally, man, like these guards, if you are Masters user, Andis users, double magnetic guards, you can't go wrong with Stylecraft. And these are the mythic. Beautiful sound. The reason why I got these is for the power. This is for longer use, blending, fading. I also put the stretch bracket on these. I think these are going to be the ones that are going to replace my Andis, because I've been looking for, I've not really been impressed with what's been coming out. I like how the Masters cut. I like how they grab the hair. I love how the blades operate. I just like how the Masters it's just such an easy flow with the Masters. And with my detachable system and the Masters, I really never really needed to upgrade. The only reason I decided to go with this route, just because of the noise, man. That's it, pretty much. If the Master was like this, best in the market to me. If the Master sounded like this, but they haven't did it yet. So, and working all day and constantly listening to gonna let you know it's just the noise. Honestly, it's not like I got more than one. So I'm not knocking them, but at the end of the day, these are the ones, man. But it's the noise. They could solve that. I'm back, baby. They could solve that. Let me know. And right now, my next move is trying to find the most quietest and powerful trimmers. I like these, but hey, what can we say? I try to tape them up, to quiet them up. Let's see what Andis do, man. But right now, man, I'm going with the Stylecraft, baby. I'm just going with them. I'm going with Stylecraft. I got a couple of pairs. One lasts for 3 hours at the power. The other one lasts for 6 hours less power. That's a perfect combination for me. With my detachables, perfect workflow. Perfect workflow, and that's just for me. That's just for me. I'm very careful when I decide to go all in on a tool. I'm not that type of barber that has like all type of selections. I done borrowed some. I done borrowed the Babylus. I done borrowed walls. I done had the magic clips and seniors, but I like to stick to a certain type of cutting style that fits my needs. And the Masters was that, as far as how the blade grabs the hair, how you can float, how you can do a lot of different types of techniques with the Masters, because the weight style that gives me the ability to float cut more than the other clippers. Because light clippers are good, but I'm not cutting or holding somebody hostage all day because I'm complaining about weight. So I prefer weight. It gives me balance. So hey man, at the end of the day, that's just my preference. But like and subscribe, baby. And if you got any suggestions, comment below to help me quiet down my masters. Peace. Go to tools now, baby. But at the end of the day, like and subscribe. Appreciate you for checking out the video. Hey, if you don't know about these are great clippers. I think everybody underestimating how far Stylecraft has came, man, and I'm very impressed. And I need something that fits my workflow, and this does it. And that's it.